When you create a post or a page in WordPress, the URL or address for that page is created automatically for you. In WordPress, these are called permalinks, meaning permanent links. The URL or link of every page of your site is important. It is how that page on your website is accessed. You want the link for your pages to be easy to understand by your visitors, while also having keywords to help Google understand what the page is about, which helps with your SEO. From the WordPress dashboard, go to Settings, Permalinks. Here, we can change the link structure for the pages on our website. As I mentioned, the links to your pages are very important. It is best to set these permalink settings as soon as you can, and definitely before you start getting popular. If you change your permalink settings, the old links to your pages that Google and others have will no longer work. So change your permalink settings early and try not to change them after that. By default, WordPress often uses this first plain option, which uses the ID of the page or post in the link. This will ensure that every page has a unique link, but it isn't very helpful for people or for SEO. Hey Jesse, what are you doing tomorrow? 42? It's a nice and short response, which is good, but it gives me no details at all. I recommend at least always having the post name in the URL or link for all your pages. WordPress has 5 options here for us to choose from, with the 6th one allowing us to create our own. My personal preference here is post name. This will generate links like yoursite.com/the name of the post. It keeps the link shorter and is purely descriptive about what this page is. So it's great for both people and SEO. Another common one would be to use the month and name, which is the year, month, and then the post name. And the day and name, which is the same, but it also uses the day. This is great if you have a lot of posts or your posts are relative to time. So having the time shown in the URL is actually helpful in that case. I'm not a fan of the plain or the numeric, which is similar to plain. It just has the word archive and then the page ID. Custom allows you to create a structure of your liking. You can type in your own words, and you can also use these 10 tags here, which will insert information directly from the post. Keep it simple though. Don't be that person that always gives a little bit too much information. If I ask you, where were you? A simple, in the toilet is fine. I don't need to know about the amount, color, texture, or anything else. Only add the information needed. Year, month num, day, hour, minute, second. These tags will all use the date and time that the post was published. Post ID and post name are exactly that. Category is the category this post is sorted into. If this post is attached to multiple categories, only one will show here. And author is the author of the post. The structure you set here directly affects posts. Pages only have 2 settings. If you set it to plain, pages will also use their page ID, like this post example here. If you use any other setting, pages will always use their title in the URL. And if the page has a parent, it'll use the parent / then the page title. We can also change the base word used when showing a category or tag. By default, if you select to view posts in a category, the URL will be yoursite.com/category and then the name of the category it is showing. So the default base is category. If you enter anything else here, it will replace category with whatever you enter. So yoursite.com / whatever you enter / the category name. This works the same way for tags. The default base for a tag is tag. Entering anything here will replace that. And that's it. Save changes and you're all done. Now don't go changing your name tomorrow. Unless your father was John Dover and he thought it'd be funny to name you Ben, then it's acceptable to change your name. But don't change it after that. And make sure you tell everyone that you have changed it. Same goes for your permalinks. Try to get them right when you create your website. Don't change them if you don't have to. And if you do, let everybody know. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. To keep me motivated to make more free tutorials, please subscribe. like the video and leave a friendly comment. And if you didn't like this video, no problem, smash that dislike button, twice even, and let me know everything I did wrong in the comments. For more tutorials with WordPress and other website tutorials, check out thewebsiteteacher.com. I'll leave a link in the description below.